Have you ever wondered how to have a blooming garden all year round? Today we're diving into the vibrant world of four-season gardening, a magical realm where nature's beauty never fades, regardless of the calendar. In the next few minutes, you will learn how to plan your garden to ensure it blooms all year round. The first step in planning a four-season garden is understanding the seasons. Spring, summer, autumn, and winter each have distinct characteristics, influencing when different plants bloom. Knowing this helps us select plants that thrive in their respective seasons. Now that we understand the seasons, we can move on to the next step, selecting the right plants. The beauty of a four-season garden lies in the variety of plants it holds. Selecting the right plants is all about knowing their bloom time and care requirements. For spring, consider tulips and daffodils. When summer arrives, marigolds and sunflowers are a great choice. Autumn calls for chrysanthemums, while holly and snowdrops thrive in winter. Remember, each plant brings its own charm and contributes to the overall aesthetic. With the right plants selected, we're ready for the next step, designing the garden. Designing a four-season garden is like painting a picture that changes with the seasons. Think of arranging your plants in a way that ensures a continuous bloom. Each plant should have its time to shine. Consider the height, color, and blooming time of each plant. Tall plants go at the back, mid-sized in the middle, and shorter ones in front. Combine early, mid, and late bloomers for constant color. With a well-planned design, your garden is set to bloom all year round. Let's recap what we've learned about planning a four-season garden. First, understanding the seasons is essential to ensure your garden thrives year-round. Second, selecting the right plants for each season is key, as different plants bloom at different times. Lastly, designing the garden with this in mind creates a visually pleasing and flourishing garden throughout the year. Remember, a blooming garden is a reward for careful planning and selection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!